Oh yeah.
But
Love
you
those
remember
days,
the
yeah.
first time you cracked that code. And so
Mhm.
if you don't ask, it's an insult. If you do ask in a way, how do you spell your name? That's kind of off-beating, but letting them know that you are open-minded for other cultures and showing that sort of respect, because you don't know when to sit, when to ask for something. What are the manners in your home? What's the manners in regards to your name pronunciation that's been passed down from generations? And so for me, just like the positive escalation to a gatekeeper, I've had people say, Richard, out of the last 30 people I've spoken to, you're the only one that asked how to spell it, and after 3 times can pronounce it correctly. Thank you very much.
Wow. And they
Yeah,
remember
man.
that. They remember
Why?
that. That's
What are you dancing around? This is something that needs to be sliced and diced slowly, but you can say it prior. Let them know that their name sounds amazing, and I would love to be able to pronounce it correctly. And when they say it, you know you're not going to understand it, and that's when you use the military alphabet. And when you hit the military alphabet, then they know you're serious. First, they probably think you served in the military. But second, they realize that you're taking it very seriously, because that is, in my industry, that's the easiest way to decipher a spelling.
awesome. Awesome. I appreciate that so much. Another strategy when